Hey, what's going on, YouTube? I am so sorry that I have not posted anything. I've been so busy this week, Robbie and I both, and today's Saturday, and we've been at it since about 8 o'clock this morning. It started out with 3 jobs. One of them was an oil change, one of them was a diagnostic, and another one was a diagnostic. One of the diagnostics canceled, so we still had the oil change and the other diagnostic. We did the oil change, and she ended up wanting a diag at the same time. So that was an oil change and a diagnostic in one. The next one we went, finished that one up. The next one we went and we did a diagnostic on this 1994 Nissan Pathfinder. And the battery was dead because we were going to actually go into the PCM and do the little blinky codes and everything. He needs a battery and everything. He paid a diagnostic fee and said he was going to get a battery. When he does, we'll come back out there, no charge. While we were doing that, his next door neighbor was in the yard, and I happened to be walking to my truck, and she said, "Excuse me, sir, are you a mechanic?" I said, "Yes, ma'am. Me and this gentleman right here, we own a mobile business, mobile auto business. Can you take a look at my 2001 Chevy S10? It was my father's truck." "Oh, yes, ma'am, sure can." Well, I mean, we're right here, so it ended up needing a tensioner, a belt, a oil change, windshield wipers, brake fluid flush. And she was like, "Well, how much is that going to cost?" "X amount of dollars." "Okay, yeah, let's do it." So we ended up still doing 3 jobs, and that one was a big job. And I'm just ugh, dirty. It's ugh, on my arm, on my face, but it's like 100 degrees, and we knocked out 3 customers, and all 3 of them are very happy with us, and they found us on Google, except for the one. She found us in the front yard, which is cool. She just happened to talk to us, and that's things are taking off, and I'm really happy, and I'm really excited about it, and I know Robbie is too. And we're both beat. It's a little after 5 o'clock now, and we're at home now, so we got everything set up with our commercial account for the auto parts store and all that stuff, and things are looking up, man. People are noticing, and I appreciate all of you hanging with us and sticking with us and giving us all these great ideas and stuff, and we appreciate it. And I love you guys, and I'll see you on the next one.